Most Alberta landlords focus on the $75 RTDRS filing fee. That's not the cost of a dispute. That's just the cost to start one. Here's what the math actually looks like. Let's run it. Filing fee, $75. Lost rent during the mandatory notice period before the hearing, around $600 for an average Calgary unit. Then vacancy while you find a new tenant, typically 2 to 3 weeks, another $900. Your time preparing for the hearing, 3 to 4 hours minimum. Repairs the RTDRS doesn't award you because of missing documentation. Relisting, rescreening. You're at $3,000 before anything goes sideways. And it's not just money, it's time. From the first missed rent payment to an RTDRS decision on a possession hearing takes 6 to 8 weeks minimum when you count the notice period, the filing, the scheduling wait, and the hearing itself. During that time, you're still carrying the unit. The RTDRS Annual Report puts the typical cost of a rental dispute to Alberta landlords between $2,000 and $5,000. With over 15,000 disputes filed last year, that adds up to tens of millions of dollars leaving Alberta landlords' pockets annually. Most of it preventable. Here's the comparison. One dispute, $2,000 to $5,000 and 6 to 8 weeks of your life. Prevention, a signed move-in inspection, a compliant lease, and a proper screening report before you hand over keys. The math runs one direction. SQRFT gives Alberta landlords the tools that prevent disputes before they start. Digital leases, time-stamped inspections, tenant screening, maintenance tracking. Free to start at sqrft.ca.